What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. It's Mr. DEBT Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group here with a quick cryptocurrency market update for you. I know cryptocurrency has been boring. All of the experts have stopped talking about it. People are not promoting it anymore because it's not at the 2017 highs. We're at about 3,500 for Bitcoin. And, we saw it go as high as almost 20,000. But realistically, look, the cryptocurrency market is still doing great. When I first started talking about it, in fact, publicly, it was June or July of 2017, and the price was about 2,500. And right now it's like 3,500. So we're talking about $1,000 increase since then. So for a person like me, cryptocurrency market is doing great. But for others, I can understand if you got in at the height and you look at it now, you're probably feeling some type of way. But to be honest, I think the market's been doing great. It's pretty stable. Over the last 3 months, we've seen Bitcoin, or the price, fluctuate from around 4,000 to 3,500. So it's been really stable. And that points to what's happening in the government. And when it comes to regulations, we said during the time that the government will be regulating the market, things will be kind of hectic because people don't know exactly where things are going to go. People expect, well, it's going to be overregulated, or it's underregulated, or it's going to be treated like a stock. But we have more clarity today. We understand today that the SEC is going to treat most cryptocurrencies not like securities, but like their own individual market and their own thing. They have to create rules and regulations specifically for cryptocurrency because they recognize, look, this is not stocks. These aren't bonds. This is an entire different beast, and it's here to stay. So what you've seen is the government has hired new officials and created new positions specifically for regulating cryptocurrency, which is a good thing. Again, regulation is good because it stabilizes the market. It just causes fluctuations when you have to speculate about it. But the more information comes out about regulation, the better. And then you have companies like Robinhood that got into cryptocurrency with their app. And as of, I think, the last 48 hours, they got their license to trade cryptocurrency in New York City and New York State, which is huge. A lot of people don't know how big of a deal it is, but being able to offer people who use Robinhood, which is an app that is a no-fee trading app for the stock market and also for crypto, being able to open that up to the population in New York City is huge because it makes trading cryptocurrency very simple and inexpensive, and the platform is well known. So that's a good big up to them. But keep in mind, again, you have the futures market has slowed down at first when EFTs came out and the futures market really stepped into cryptocurrency. Of course, that caused a lot of commotion, but that also has started to calm down. So things are at a calm point, and when things are calm, that's usually the best time to get into the market. Again, when I first started talking about cryptocurrency through Facebook and Instagram in July of 2017, that was a great point to get in because even if you just held from then until now, you would still be up $1,000 if you bought one Bitcoin. So it's all about timing, and some people, you have to get in this game and think about it from a long-term basis instead of short-term, though there are short-term opportunities. But overall, the market's doing well. It's stable. We're going to see within the next week or so if it's going to trend more towards the 4,000 mark again or trend towards 3,400. Right now, I'm saying the way it's looking, it's more likely trending back towards the $4,000 mark for Bitcoin. Also, a lot of companies that were at the top of the cryptocurrency market are still at the top. You still have Bitcoin, you still have Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple. These cryptocurrencies still pretty much dominate the cryptocurrency market. So know that even through ups and downs, a lot of these organizations, because they're ties into the business community, have done well. Not to mention even some governments like the state of Ohio, I believe, are allowing people to now pay their taxes with Bitcoin. So it shows you, again, this is not a technology or a market that's just going away. I'm in it. I made money and profits from it. And I still have, I still own some cryptocurrency because I did take some money out so it could be real and actually be real profits. And then I actually kept some there too, just so I could stay in the market because I'm a long-term investor. So if you're interested in still getting in the cryptocurrency market, know that it is a good time to get in. I mean, you have to make your own choices, do your own research. However, I would say that right now, based on where the market is, it is a good time just because not because it only has up to, can go upwards, but we've been through a bearish market. It's starting to look more bullish. And if you look at charts and you know how to read charts, then you could understand exactly what I'm saying, and especially about what's happening or what's supposed to happen in the next day or so.